Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat, and in today's video we are going to see how to grow and care for polka dot plant. It's a beautiful and colorful plant which is usually grown as indoor plant. Polka dot plant can be propagated easily, and here in this video you are also going to see everything with updates. So let's get started. Here is a plant which I have collected from nursery, and today I am going to repot it. To repot, going to use this small pot which is around 4 inch wider and 5 inch deeper. You can also use bigger pot like 6 inch if you like, and that's more than enough. For the potting mix, I am going to use soilless medium and taking 3 components in equal part. First one is coco peat, second vermicompost, and third one is perlite. I have also tried growing using the normal garden soil, but result was not that great. So let's repot the plant very quickly. As you can see, the nursery people have used very sandy type soil. I am not using any garden soil in my potting soil mix, and that's why getting rid of old soil as much as I can. In case you want to use normal garden soil, then of course you can do it. But please make sure that you are going to use only sandy soil. As an alternative soil mix, you can do it this way. Normal garden soil 40%, coco peat 20%, vermicompost 20%, and perlite 20%. Repotting done. Next, watering my plant. After that, I would keep the pot only under indirect sunlight. This is an update after 30 days. That day I have also repotted this plant, and both are looking good as of now. Today I am going to do one more important thing, and that is pinching. It's needed to make them much more fuller, or else they become leggy. Pinching at this point so that the other lower branches are going to grow well. Did the same for other plant too. Now let's see how we can grow more plants from these tiny cuttings. Here I am taking a small pot, and it's filled with 2 components, 1 part coco peat and 1 part perlite. I have also pre-wetted the soil. Make 2 holes and insert at least 1 node inside the soil. Press the soil gently, and after that keep the pot only under indirect sunlight. Please note, spring and summer is the best time to propagate. So guys, this is the result after 65 days. The plant is growing nicely, and as I did pinching, it has produced many side branches. The roots are already coming out through the drainage holes. So I might repot this plant into a larger pot very soon. Let's talk about how to care for polka dot plant, and we are also going to see the propagation result. First one is light. They need only bright indirect sunlight. If we keep them under direct sunlight, leaves might turn yellow, get curled, and side of the leaves are going to get burned. For water, please do only when the topsoil looks dry. In my place, it has been raining, and that's why the soil is looking wet. For fertilizer, I normally use seaweed extract once in 25 to 30 days. Dose is 5 ml in 1 liter water. Instead of this, we can also use any other balanced fertilizer. For example, NPK 19-19-19. Dose is half teaspoon in 1 liter water, and we can apply once in 25 to 30 days. Right here, these are the 2 cuttings that I planted. As we can see, they are already starting to grow well. Let's take a look at the roots quickly. Perfect. The roots are looking fine, and soon I would need to transplant them in other pot. Normally I show much clear roots, but in this case I am afraid as they don't have strong root system. So within few days I got 2 more plants. They are quite easy to propagate, just like coleus. In case you love to grow colorful indoor plants, then I believe you would also love to grow prayer plants. Though it looks difficult to grow them, by following my methods, you would be able to grow them easily. For more info, you can check out my next video. That's all about Polka Dot plant care, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening a bit. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.